Liu Sheng focused, extended his hand, and a powerful golden martial energy began to emerge from his hand. Not long after, the star disk of destiny was activated. But this time, instead of emitting a blue glow, it began to emit an orange glow. While Liu Sheng was activating the star disk, Lan's attention was fixed on him and his eyes widened in surprise and his jaw dropped in shock. He could not believe what his eyes were witnessing. While martial flames were surrounding Liu Sheng's body with a confident smile, he decided it was time to show everyone his true power. An immense amount of martial energy began to emerge from Liu Sheng's hand, creating a golden explosion of energy. Liu Sheng's martial fire transformed into a tornado, which began to spin in front of the star disk. Even though the star disk was gigantic, the martial fire tornado was even bigger. Upon seeing this, the warriors' eyes filled with surprise, leaving them in shock. No one knew what was happening. Lan's expression changed. Instead of being surprised, he couldn't help but sweat and feel fear, realizing that Liu Sheng was radiant sun level. With an expression full of excitement, Lan clenched his fists, and with a proud smile began to cheer on our boy upon confirming that he really was blazing sun level, and not just anyone. Liu Sheng began to gaze toward the ground in silence, and a strange but powerful energy appeared around his body. Lan finally realized that Liu Sheng was a burning sun level that far surpassed that of Lan Che. With a confused expression, the bald man began to sweat and asked his friend what was happening. The friend's eyes widened in surprise. He didn't know what to say. Not even the powerful warrior's presence knew what was happening. Liu Sheng's body began to release even more energy. Everyone's attention focused on him, wondering who this person really was and where such a monster had come from. Mo Yun began to observe in silence, not knowing what to say, while on the other side, Lan Che's eyes widened with confusion and surprise, despite not clearly understanding what was happening. He was certain that something incredible was about to happen. With an expression full of fear, Lan Che could not help but wonder what level of power was needed to unleash a stellar glow like this. Mo Yun was in shock and speechless, with an expression of surprise at the revelation. He thought it was incredible that this young man was so extraordinary, and had also reached the blazing sun level. Our boy couldn't help but feel happy and smile. Liu Sheng decided to see how the star disk of destiny would react if he changed martial energy. Not long after, his golden martial energy transformed into dark martial energy. Liu Sheng began to imbue his energy into the star disk and with a confident smile thought that it probably still wasn't enough. Liu Sheng decided it was time to use more of his power and his energy began to enter into the star disk, making a golden glow appear in it. With an expression full of determination, Liu Sheng began to smile, as he was not satisfied with this level of achievement. Liu Sheng began to shout and used all his martial energy. His energy began to clash against the star disk, but Liu Sheng was not going to give up so easily. He released even more energy, and not long after, several phoenixes made of martial fire emerged and began to fly through the sky. Liu Sheng's martial fire shot toward the sky. Its power was so immense that the powerful warriors panicked and their eyes filled with surprise and fear. They began to point at our boy with their fingers, realizing that this force had completely distorted space. While they were distracted, one of them started to point toward the sky and asked everyone to look. Upon hearing this, the others became somewhat curious and decided to turn around. One of them turned around and upon seeing what had appeared in the sky, his eyes filled with tears and fear, making him sweat like crazy. He could not comprehend what kind of power this was. The powerful martial spirit of Liu Sheng began to descend from the sky. Compared to it, the warriors were like small ants. In that instant, many of those present understood with overwhelming clarity the existence of an immense gap in talent, one they could never cross in their entire lives. Lan's attention was fixed on our boy's martial spirit and his eyes widened in surprise. He couldn't help but tremble without knowing how it was possible for a 16,000-meter martial spirit to exist. Lan began to observe carefully and stepped back. He was in shock upon realizing that Liu Sheng's martial spirit was twice the size of his own supreme rank flame and lightning martial spirit. Mo Yun, who was standing next to him, remained silent, not saying a single word. Lan's eyes began to shine with terror and his body started trembling. He couldn't believe that Liu Sheng's aura was still at level 9. Just then, Yun lost his balance. Lan's attention focused on him and his eyes filled with confusion and curiosity. Mo Yun fell on his butt to the ground. He was in shock upon seeing how terrifying Liu Sheng's power was. Mo Yun calmed down and began to observe carefully the martial spirit of Liu Sheng. His eyes widened in confusion. It seemed impossible to him that he was only level 9, and he began to question who he really was. At the same time, our boy extended his hand toward the sky. While his eyes shone and the martial fire emerged from his body, he noticed that such a large manifestation of the martial spirit was actually difficult to control and that concentrating all the power in the body was the best choice. Liu Sheng cracked his fingers and while his eyes were shining with joy, with a smile he decided it was time to get down to work. His powerful martial spirit shrank and appeared behind him. Without wasting any more time, Liu Sheng placed his hand on the stellar disk of destiny. With a confident expression, Liu Sheng began to imbue his power into the stellar disk. And with a smile gave the order to his martial spirit to spin the stellar disk. Liu Sheng's martial spirit began to consume all its energy, causing our boy to clench his teeth tightly and begin shouting with determination. Not long after, little by little the pearls of the stellar disk began to activate, until several seconds later, the stellar disk began to spin like it never had before. Lan Che began to bleed from the mouth because he had used too much martial energy before. His subordinate reacted in time and, supporting him on his own shoulder, prevented him from falling to the ground. With a confused and worried expression, he asked if he was okay. Blood began to emerge from Lan Che's eyes and mouth. With eyes shining with rage, he stared fixedly at Liu Sheng and clenched his teeth tightly. For him, this was impossible, it simply could not be. The only thing Lan Che could do was feel furious and silently observe Liu Sheng's display of power. His subordinate began to sweat and clenched his teeth at the thought that even Lan Che had to use both hands with all his strength to rotate the falling star stellar diagram. And yet, Liu Sheng did it with one hand, as if it were a rolling wheel. He began to wonder if this was reasonable, scientific or even real, questioning whether they were still in the Yamu region. While all energies were emerging from Liu Sheng's body, the Destiny stellar disk was spinning at full speed. Not far away there was a spaceship. Liu Sheng's energy caused the ship to become destabilized. Inside the ship were the elders of the Yamu Federation, who began to observe the energy in silence, not knowing what was happening. The attention of the blonde-haired woman focused on it. Despite being in shock, she remained calm, but deep down she realized that this power simply could not be described with words. Her eyes began to shine with confusion and surprise. She had thought that Lan had only found someone with outstanding talent, but it turned out he was a genius as brilliant as the sun. With a surprised gaze, the elf-eared elder began to scream like a madman. He could not believe that a level 9 warrior had reached blazing sun level. And that he had also done so by going far beyond the maximum limit. The woman began to ponder in silence, not knowing how Lan had found a genius like Liu Sheng. With a curious gaze, the old man turned around, clenched his fists and gave the order to his men to accelerate the spaceship at full speed to see that genius immediately. His men bowed their heads before him and nodded. At the same time, while the star disk was spinning and the pearls on it shining intensely, Liu Sheng's eyes widened with confusion and curiosity. He could not believe that the star disk showed that he was only at blazing sun level of 9 stars. Liu Sheng closed his eyes and couldn't help but wonder what lay beyond the blazing sun level. Lan hadn't told him and he felt some curiosity, so he was going to try it first, but carefully, not to break the star disk by spinning it. With a determined expression, Liu Sheng placed both hands on the star disk, and martial fire began to emerge from his body. He gave the order to his martial spirit to hold the star disk tightly, while he activated the aura of the illuminated Dark King to its maximum in order to gain a boost of blood and energy. Liu Sheng focused and a wave of evil energy shot out from his body. Upon noticing this, Lan Che was surprised. He was paralyzed with fear since, according to him, this was impossible, completely impossible. Even in the main region of the Tianxi star system, very few reached beyond the blazing sun level, so he wondered by what right he could achieve something like that. The jaw of his subordinate dropped in shock. For him, 9 stars of blazing sun, or even the maximum level, were not enough. Reaching beyond the blazing sun level was not something so easy, and it seemed a bit exaggerated to him. The star disk was spinning so fast that it was almost impossible to see, even emitting a sound of jammed gears. This meant that the path ahead had ended and there were no more possibilities to advance. Liu Sheng's attention was fixed on it and his eyes began to shine with confusion. He remained silent, not knowing what to do now. Then, with a confident expression, Liu Sheng began to smile upon realizing that he still had energy left and that his supreme stellar body was not limited to 9 burning sun stars. If this still wasn't enough, then he would simply put in more strength. Liu Sheng's veins began to shine. With a determined smile, he decided to give his best. His 10,000 immortal cells burned furiously, transforming and evolving once again, and radiating an even brighter golden glow that emerged on his brow, like the third eye of a god. This is the end of the video. If you guys want to see the next part,